This is called freedom. Cold dark sky and the wind blowing gently through the trees. Me and my gun on the four-wheel drive held the rain over the place I'd rather be. I am a hunter, and it runs through my blood. I am a hunter, born and raised in the woods. I am a hunter, and I hunt to survive. Through God's grace, I know He will provide. Yes, through God's grace, I know He will provide.
All right. They're gobbling. Just listen, listen, listen. Oh! How's it going, guys and girls? It's April 3rd. Excuse me. Didn't get to do an intro video this morning, but I'm back at the house and I'm smiling. So that can only mean one thing. It's opening day of turkey season. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's quick, sweet, and to the point. And Quacks and Racks Outdoors where we get it done. Y'all check this out. I got him. Oh, yeah. He's there. He's there. Got him. It's done on opening morning. It's done. Whew. Oh, y'all just bear with me. All right, guys. Opening morning, 2021 turkey season. April 3rd, I think it is. I'm not sure. April 3rd, maybe. I'm out here on a buddy of mine, and it ain't but 6:33, and I got it done. Hunting in this gas line here. Take my call out. Hunting this gas line here and big tall hill on this side, big tall hill on this side, field up here. But got set up with my decoys here. I'm running the grind decoys. Just got them not too long ago, and had them set out here. And I was set up back up here on this hill. I'll show you all that here in a minute. Set back up here on this hill, and I was calling, didn't hear a gobble all morning, and I heard something walking. There's a lot of deer out here, so I was like, well, heck, there's some deer. Well, long and behold, it wasn't a deer. He come off the hillside up there, some pines up there. He come off the hillside down. He come out. I thought he was fixing to come to the decoys. He never did. He come out. He got to look at the decoys. He knew something wasn't right. So he turned around and started going back up the hill. And he got in this big, thick patch of trees. And I swung on him. And all I could see was that much of him. And I shot him. And here he is. Get y'all close up here. Got a good beard on him. Real good beard. Probably about a 2-year-old bird. Got some pretty good hooks. Mature bird. That's what you look for right there. Opening morning. Opening morning. I tell y'all what, the Lord has blessed me again. The Lord has blessed me again. Look at this. Is that not beautiful? That is just absolutely beautiful. Man. But we'll go up here and I'll show y'all the setup. Guys, I had to get up here and take some of these layers off, pick my calls up. But I was sitting right here. Let me show you. Here's my decoys right there. All this is uphill that way. So what he did was, I was sitting here calling, no gobble this morning. Right where that dirt mound is. Oh, let me get my phone situated. Right there, he come down through there. Walking right down through there. And he come out right here. Well, I was fixing to shoot, but he turned, went back up this way. Right about when he got right in here, that's when I swung on him. And I shot him about right, yeah, probably about right in there somewhere. Straight through that gap. He's down. It's over with. This morning I'm using my Mossberg 20 gauge TSS with the heavyweight TSS choke. Yes, that's a Tacticam. No, y'all will not be seeing any Tacticam video because he coming on me quick and I couldn't do nothing. But it's a good way to start the season. I got plenty other places to go, a lot more birds to hunt. I'm gonna only kill 3 this year, but I think we're gonna make it happen. I'm using a Primo's mouth call. I think you can get it at Walmart. They come in like a 3-pack. I like it. Sounds good. Not the best, but it sounds good to me. Called in a bird, killed it, so it's got to be worth something. My wife got me this vest, very fancy for my redneck self. But finna take y'all down here and just show y'all how amazing the Lord is. Get y'all some close-ups and show y'all some pictures and all that stuff. No, it ain't a long video. I know I ain't been on here in a while. There just ain't been much to do. Weather, stuff like that. It's been holding me back. But we're back on the grind now. It's open. Fixing to be doing some fishing. All that stuff. So, y'all just hang with me. I appreciate y'all. Let's go take a look at this bird.